worshipping Lakshmi and Ganesha. Once a woodcutter made an idol of goddess Lakshmi. He placed the idol under a tree and started worshipping it. He kept fresh flowers and fruits in front of the idol on the day of Diwali. One day, the woodcutter gifted a similar idol to the king. The king was very pleased to see the beautiful idol. He gifted the woodcutter an entire jungle of sandalwood trees. But the woodcutter did not realize the worth of the sandalwood trees and felled all the trees in the forest. When the king learnt about it, he was very furious with the woodcutter. He called the woodcutter and punished him severely. The stupid woodcutter did not realize the real reason of the punishment and complained about it to his wife. His wife told him, "On the day of Diwali, Goddess Lakshmi is never worshipped alone. Instead, she is always worshipped along with Ganesha." The woodcutter realized his mistake and performed penance to please Ganesha. Different names of Ganesha. Ganesha is known by several names in Indian mythology. Some have been described in the above stories. There are 32 other names by which Ganesha is known, not only in India but also in other parts of the world. In Nepal, Ganesha is known as Heram Ganesh. This form of Ganesha has 5 heads and rides a lion. Heram Ganesh is the protector of the weak. Another well-known form of Ganesha is Nritya Ganpati. Nritya Ganpati loves to dance and entertain his parents. He loves to dance under a wish-fulfilling divine tree, Kalpavriksha. Another famous form is Ekakshara Ganpati, who meditates on a lotus flower. A form of Ganesha sitting on a throne of Durva grass is Shipra Prasad Ganpati. This form of Ganesha is famous as a quick rewarder. Other names of Ganesha are Bal, Tarun, Bhakti, Veer, Shakti, Dvija, Siddhi, Uchishtha, Vigna, Lakshmi, Maha, Vijay, Urdhva, Varad, Triakshar, Haridra, Srishti, Uddanand, Dvimukh, Trimukh, Yog, Durga and Sankatahar. Who should be the leader? Once, all the gods in heaven held a competition to find out who should be the leader of the world. The competition was that they would all circumnavigate the earth and the winning destination would be Shiva's residence, Mount Kailash. The one who reached the peak of Mount Kailash first would be considered the winner. All of the gods geared up for the competition and an auspicious time was decided. During the entire process, Ganesha kept quiet, sitting at one side with his head drooping. He did not take part in the race and gave up beforehand. While he was about to return, Sage Narad approached him and asked the reason for not participating in the race. Ganesha said, "My mount is too small in front of the other gods' mounts. I will never win the race. It is better not to take part rather than losing." Narad was disappointed to know this and decided to find a way to help Ganesha. Ganesha becomes the leader. Narad consoled Ganesha and asked him not to be dejected. Narad then advised him, "Ganesha, every problem has a solution, so never lose hope. Stop worrying. Do you know the power behind the name Ram? There is an entire world hidden in his name. If you inscribe his name on the ground and circle around it, your mission will be accomplished. There is no need to go around the entire world." Ganesha was wise enough to understand what message Narad wanted to give him. He happily inscribed Ram's name on the ground and circled around it thrice. Ganesha, filled with enthusiasm, then approached Shiva's abode and told everything to him. Shiva was happy to know what Narad had preached to Ganesha. He said, "Son, Narad is absolutely correct. There is a whole world hidden in Ram's name. It has tremendous power, and I am happy that you have understood this truth. I declare you the winner of the competition. From now on, you shall be called Ganpati, the leader of all, and also Vinayak, the lord of all."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.